Hi there, welcome to FEITUO's Vietnam factory. We're proud to bring you high-quality emergency and exit lighting products, made right here. Let's start at the front gate and look around. On one side is our office building, where our teams handle everything from product design to daily operations. And on the other, our main workshops, operating with orders and efficiency to ensure reliable quality and delivery. Come on in, we'll show you how it all comes together. Here we are in our final assembly workshop, where 3 production lines are running at the same time. Come with me, let's check out this line. Our team carefully assembles every part, from assembling the light housings to wiring the batteries, making sure every step is done with care. At each station, we have clear salt boards to guide the workers, helping them follow the right steps, so we keep everything consistent and high quality throughout the line. Our inline QC team is right there checking key steps, watching for proper assembly, clean wiring, and solid performance. If anything's off, it gets fixed right away. We also use professional testing equipment to check that every product lights up correctly and runs safely. Finally, the products go to packaging, using materials that meet international standards to keep them safe during shipping. Our PCB workshop, and I'd like to show you some of our key equipment. First up is the automatic solder paste printer, which applies solder paste precisely to each board. Next is the high-speed SMT machine, placing tiny components quickly and accurately. Then comes the reflow oven, where controlled heat carefully solders the components in place. And finally, we arrive at the inspection station, where every board is carefully checked, to make sure nothing is missed and everything works reliably. This is our automatic insertion machine, which quickly and accurately places larger components onto the board to boost efficiency. Let's take a look at how it works. Now we're at our insertion line. This is where we take care of the components that can't be placed by machines. Our skilled team manually inserts these parts into the circuit boards, especially the larger or irregular ones. Each station has a clear SOP board, so everyone knows exactly what to do at each step. This keeps everything running smoothly and helps maintain consistent quality. After all the parts are in place, the boards go through our wave soldering machine, where a wave of melted solder connects everything from the bottom in one go. Next, we have a reinforcement soldering station. Here, important joints get an extra touch, just to make sure everything stays solid and reliable. Then it's time for manual inspection. Our team uses professional testing tools to carefully check each board and make sure everything is in the right place, properly soldered, and working as it should. Finally, the boards go into our conformal coating system. This adds a protective layer that guards against moisture, dust, and corrosion, so the boards last longer and keep performing well no matter where they're used. So this line uses machines when it helps, and people's careful work when it matters most. A good mix that helps us make reliable, quality products. Now we're at our injection molding workshop. Right now, we have 17 injection molding machines, and plan to expand to 25 in the near future. Our machines are all from Haiphong, a leading brand in injection molding. Each one is equipped with robotic arms, helping make production more automated. There's also a waste discharge system installed, which helps keep the environment clean and the production safe. At the back of the workshop, we have a big screen showing the daily production schedule, helping us manage the workflow efficiently. We're now at our raw materials warehouse. Right behind me are ABS plastic pellets, all sourced from LG. They come with a 5VF flammability rating and meet the UL9 tool for safety standard. Behind me are our packaging materials, all sourced locally here in Vietnam to ensure stable supply and quick turnaround. This is our finished goods warehouse, where all products are neatly organized and well managed.